Button up. A shirt that is fastened with a row of buttons down the front. Button up before going out. My mother helps me button up my shirt. Zip up. Of a garment, pocket, bag, etc., able to be fastened with a zip. Zip up your jacket, it's cold out there. I can't zip up this jeans, this is too tight. Put on. Place a garment, piece of jewelry, etc. on part of one's body. He put on his glasses to read the book. She put on her headphone to listen the song. Throw up. To quickly put on some clothes. Tom threw on a jacket before heading out to meet his friends. She threw on her coat and rushed out the door. Pull on. To put on quickly with force. Don't pull on the cloth, it will tear. He pulled on his boots before stepping into the snow. Have on. To be wearing something. She had on a beautiful necklace that complimented her. He had his favorite shirt on for the concert. Try on. Put on an item of clothing to see if it fits or suits one. I'd like to try on that blue shoe. Try on clothing and shoes to make sure they fit. Slip on. To quickly and easily put something on. Don't forget to slip on the slippers before leaving. She slipped on her sandals before leaving for work. Tuck in. To insert the bottom part of a piece of clothing into something else. She told the boy to tuck in his shirt. The dress was too long, so I put a tuck in it. Change into. To change the clothes that you're wearing. I need to change into some dry clothes. She could change into a different outfit in 2 minutes. Get into. To enter your clothes, to put on. He struggled to get into his old t-shirt. They got into their costumes for the swimming. Roll up. To fold sleeves in the up direction. Roll up your sleeves before eating. The doctor rolled up his sleeves to give him the injection. Take off. To remove clothes, shoes, etc. from one's body. He took off his coat to relax. I took off my shoes and placed them on the rack. Hang up. To place something on a hook or hanger. She hung up her dress as soon as she got home from the party. Please hang up wet clothes to dry in the hot. Iron out. To use an iron to remove wrinkles. I like to iron out the wrinkles in the clothes. Don't iron out the clothes during a phone call. Fold up. To fold something. My sister taught me to fold up the clothes. I always fold up my clothes after ironing them out. Kick off. To remove shoes quickly and with force. She kicked off her shoes and ran towards the bed. She kicked off her sandals after a long day at work.